Hey guys, Jackie here, and today we're gonna be ranking alphabet lore characters. So as you can see, we've got favorite, super good, good, neutral, and no. So first off is A, and A's good. B, C is also good like A. See? Sorry for the bad joke. That was unintentional. D is as same as Z. They barely did anything. F is super good. Test plot twist. G is neutral. H is neutral. I is good. I forgot to do F, E, J, H, I. Here's J. No, I don't like the butt cheek. T. I'm neutral towards K. And I don't like L and O, okay? They were meanies. M is neutral. N is going near their partner. N is going near their friend, okay? And B is good. Q? Y'all is my favorite, okay? You? This is actually kinda good. Wait. Love. I don't want your love. I do want your love and support, viewers. I just don't want these letters to love me. W, I'm neutral towards. X is, they're a cool ninja guy, but like they got completely obliterated by F, so no. Why? Why? Goes in good.